My name again na Bibi, and today we wan look the final part of Genesis chapter 1 verse 21 to 31. This na where God create man and animal and the blessings wey He give them. Na to show say God dey prepare ground before He make any major move. Everything get in season, and so make you no rush your life. God dey prepare your own ground too. E shock you? God no just create us like ordinary clay. He put small of His own nature inside us. That means say we carry greatness already. We fit control, lead and make things better. You no be mistake, you be God design. God no just create us. He provide food, land and everything wey we need. You see am, He no create lack. Na we dey use greed scatter everything. From beginning, God provide enough for everyone. My people, if God talk say everything wey He create e good, who be that person wey go tell you say you no good? Who tell you say your life no get meaning? God look you finish and say you good well well. Abeg, hold that one tight. Abeg, if this message touch you, abeg like, subscribe and share, and drop wetin you think for the comment section.